drop him off over there. He told you to take that off. Go ahead.
Oh.
Alright, guys. Let me see what they say. Melvin is coming, bro. Be good.